So question 12 for 2025 AMC. The harmonic mean of a collection of numbers is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocals. We are giving an example. Just to simplify, let's say we have two numbers 2 and 3 and we want to find out the harmonic means of this and call it h. Then 1 upon h is equal to half of 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3, and that's what so on and so forth. So what is the harmonic mean of all the real roots of 4050th degree of this polynomial? So if we look at this polynomial, essentially they have extended to make it clear. This term k has value 1, then 2, 3, and so on and so forth up to 2025. So the way to approach is this one will have two roots, and this one will have another two roots, and so on and so forth. So let's take a general term kx square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0, and try to see what are their roots and what they add up to and what their harmonic mean is for one particular term. So let's say they have roots k1 and k2, and we notice that k1 into k2 is equal to minus 3, and also k1 plus k2 is equal to minus b, and this minus 3 divided by a, basically c by a, for an equation ax square plus bx plus c, and k1 plus k2 is equal to minus b by a, so this is going to be 4 by k. One thing we notice is if I divide this equation by this equation, we get the term 1 upon k1 plus 1 upon k2, and this k term gets eliminated. So I get 1 upon k1 in plus 1 upon k2, and this happens when we divide L2, L1, if this is L1, this is L2, so L2 divided by L1 gives us equal to, this is minus of 4 by 3. And from here we can also say that the harmonic mean of one particular this term is going to be half of 1 upon k1 plus 1 upon k2. If let's say k is the harmonic mean of k1 and k2, then 1 upon k is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by k1 plus k2, and this is going to be minus 2 by 3, and therefore k is equal to minus 3 by 2. So the harmonic mean of any of these terms, any of these terms is 3 by 2, and that is independent. I'll call it km, kh. So kh is minus 3 by 2. So harmonic mean of all these terms is 3 by 2. Now as we add more terms, and one thing we know that, let's say these two numbers are equal. For example, if you want to find the harmonic mean of 3 and 3, then the way we'll go is 1 upon h is equal to half of 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3, and this is going to be 1 upon h multiplied by 1 up 2 by 3, and this h is going to be 3. So the harmonic mean of these two numbers is going to be 3, and therefore the harmonic mean of all those numbers then we take up is also going to be 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, and therefore our answer is going to be minus 3 by 2 or B. Just want to make sure my answer is correct. So I divide this number k1 plus k2, so minus 4 divided by 3, and therefore 1 upon, if their harmonic mean is k is called km, then 1 upon Ks is 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon K1 plus C2, which is 1 upon 2 multiplied by minus 4 by 3 or minus 2 by 3, and then reverse is minus 3 by 2. So that should be the